just about to end it, and they decided, you know what? Fuck Kaheru, fuck their stream, right? You know. No birthday stream for you. You can't celebrate. We don't allow that. So there you go. They banned it, but fortunately they brought it back. So I guess they still have some sort of mercy. Hopefully that doesn't happen this time, because this time we only have chicken and cake and this. Ano tawag nito sa English? How do you say that? A party horse. Oh, hi Polar Star. Thank you. Happy birthday, Kaheru. Thank you. Ano tawag dito? Basta yun, yung gana. That sounds fucking disgusting. But it's like the toot. I don't actually have it, but pretend I'm making the best sound like that. It actually sounds like that, like toot. Yay!